Have you been tempted to eat Tide Pods? Try our recipes instead. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Whether you've been following the news or remain blissfully unaware, young people have been eating Tide Pods, which is incredibly stupid. Our recipes provide all of the fun of eating laundry detergent with none of the fear of hospitalization or death. This lovely libation has a hint of detergent-y perfuminess, yet is deliciously palatable. I call it cheer. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of vodka, 1/2 ounce creme de violette, 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of chartreuse. Shake with ice, strain into a cocktail glass, and serve on a fabric softening sheet as a coaster. Fresh! This delicious cream cheese spread resembles a Tide Pod but tastes a lot better. To make it, all you do is soften 8 ounces of cream cheese and combine it with 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, and 3/4 of an ounce of vodka. Remove 2 tablespoons of the mixture and refrigerate the rest. Divide the 2 tablespoons of mixture in half and mix 1/2 with 1/2 tablespoon mashed cooked beet and enough purple and blue food color to achieve the purple blue depicted on a Tide Pod. Mix the other half with 1/2 tablespoon mashed orange bell pepper that you've cooked according to your favorite method and enough red and yellow food color to make it a Tide Pod orange. Refrigerate both. After all of the colors have firmed up, form the white into a lazy square shape and form the colored sections into the swirl patterns on top using a Tide Pod as your inspiration, wearing gloves if you don't want to get food color on your hands. All of the beauty of a Tide Pod rendered in cheese. As we know, many trends begin with the kids, which means that misguided adults eating Tide Pods can't be far behind. Tide, of course, wants to sell their products, but they say right up front that they're not edible and that eating them is a very bad idea and they should know. If you do find yourself tempted, remember the sage words of Lieutenant Frank Drebin in the movie Naked Gun. Sure, it'll clean you out, but it'll leave you hollow inside.
Remember, don't eat detergent.
Please don't. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon.